10,000 socks for 1,000 homeless souls. And of course, you have an opportunity to take part in this particular event and activity. So this year, what we're doing is, as you all follow me, we're having the opportunity to collect 10,000 socks for 1,000 souls. Y'all know during this time of cold months, it's very difficult in the cold months to stay warm, right? Well, think about the homeless who's trying to stay warm as well. So again, you have the opportunity to help the homeless on their journey during this season, these cold months. How you can donate, again, a pair of socks. If you buy a new package of socks with 10 pairs, if 1,000 people do that, we'll have 10,000 socks. So again, you can drop off your pairs of socks here at 1650 Bryan Station Road in the Bryan Station Road Kroger Plaza. Thank you. And in addition to that, again, at New York Fashion. Again, this is sponsored by New York Fashion, BEEM, Building Entrepreneurs with Elite Marketing, and also KOHA, Kingdom of Heaven Assembly. So we want to thank you all once again for taking part of this, and your help is very much needed. Once again, 10,000 socks for 1,000 souls. Socks for Souls.